And all the Legos. You did a good job. Alright, I'm gonna start the vlog here. What's up, ILB gang? Alright, we're about to start right now. Bad, my shit. Some nigga kept looking at me, so you know, I had to low-key switch it up. Now I'm in the store. Niggas is about to get something to eat real quick. My man's over here about to whip me up some food. Feel me? That's how we're moving. But I'm gonna catch y'all at my cousin's house. Ooh. Alright, niggas at Atlantic right now. I'm about to start walking there. So, niggas gonna catch y'all on the way when I get there. Motherfuckers keep looking at me, so ooh, about to be out. Fucking bright out here. Niggas is about to go to the car spot real quick. I'm with my cousins. That's what I'm going with. It's mad bright out here. I got this fucking pimple on my face. It's getting me tight, low key. And then I got mad niggas looking at me down there, and I low key don't. I'm gonna put my shit down, to be honest. I got mad eyes on me, so we gonna catch you over there. Fucking spicy. Am I drinking curry? Oh. Nani? Look at this shit. Hold on. This fucking floor mad soft. Hold on. Nani? Look at this. Look at this whip, cuz. Oh, yeah. Even though I probably turned it on. That shit go hard. On God. Nani? I'm not gonna go for it though. I'm not trying to get lost, so I'm gonna stay right here. On God. Oh.
I can't get out. So I'll just go through here. This part is awesome.
This one is even worse.
I'm not gonna go wrong.
We gotta check out the new Q7.
Look at the price.
Let me show you how to
Buy this in the future.
how you hold the camera.
Crazy. Oh. I'm making it wet. Ooh. Shit looking sleek. Oh.
Come on.
Oh.
Get over yourself. I've been up since 5
Damn,
o'clock in the
Sean.
morning.
What happened?
What
What happened to your Android? Oh, that shit go hard. Which one would I buy? Ooh, you. Yeah.
Excuse me. What kind of call?
I would get this color. You wouldn't get this color? That's a good ass color.
Yeah, that's working. I'm getting this. Ooh. Had to save the best for last. So the stupid. This gonna be my car right here when the niggas is out to college and shit. See y'all in your next door. Ooh. Gotta be in the way. Ooh. Nani, look at this shit. Spicy. Hello, about. Such shit stupid. Oh. Motherfucker dirty, somebody been running it. And my son Scooby-Doo in the back. Oh God. Shit. Motherfucker huge.
Sorry.
It's alright. Oh, wait. I think I'll go on the other side. You see that? Look at that shit. And all the Legos. You did a good job. This shit go hard. What the fuck? That's my shit right there. Alright. It's been a long day. I'm about to end the vlog. And like, basically what I'm gonna be doing after this is gonna be on the phone with my girl. I haven't been talking to her all day. And I miss her. So baby, if you're watching this, I miss you. So we about to hop on the phone. Alright, we about to do that. And what else? So hit that like button, subscribe, hit that notification bell, right? You feel me? I feel like I'm getting better with this shit. Cause I had a video before this and apparently I lost all my footage. I really want to cry right now. So, but you know, I'm gonna hold it in, be strong, and keep moving forward. Cause that's all we could do. So, without further ado, ILB gang, I'm out.
Bust down, Tatiana. I wanna see you bust down. Pick it up, now break that shit down. Speed it up, now slow that shit down. On the gang, slow it down. Bust it.